good afternoon. Hope you all are doing good. We would be touch basing today on Australian skilled migration with reference to one of the major skill assessment authority, which is VETASSES. Now, what we are going to discuss today are the very common questions that we encounter from our clients on a daily basis. So through this video, we would like to give a little clarity, and I'm very sure that's going to be helpful for all of you. Now, first thing, when we explain the process to our clients, we see that they are very reluctant in letting their employer know about their plans to migrate. And this is something very obvious because this is your personal decision. This is something which you would like to keep absolutely private. And don't worry, this is possible under VETASSES, yes. Now, when you file your application, just ensure that your consultant should know that you do not want VETASSES to contact your employer. So when they're filing the application, they would mention it, that do not contact the employer. And don't worry, it's not going to have any kind of negative impact on your application. You heard it correct. Because you're going to provide many other supporting documents to prove your employment. That would be your employment reference letter, that would be your offer letter, statement of service, pay slips, tax documents, and many more. Now, a very in occupation in Australia in today's state is digital marketing. A marketing specialist is the occupation which relates with professionals who performs the role of marketing. Now, how to make your application a little different under marketing specialist? We would like to put it that the documents that I'm going to mention, though is not mandatory, but can be a game changer. The documents which can be added along with the other regular set of documents are marketing plans and strategies which you devise for your organization as a part of your work, or marketing plans or strategies which you are devising for your clients, marketing collaterals, and of course, other supporting documents your consultant will be advising you. Just attach those additional documents which I just mentioned. That can really be helpful. Now, there are many occupations like cafe or restaurant manager where, a cafe or a restaurant owner would ask us that I'm a cafe or restaurant manager. I own a cafe or restaurant. So can I qualify under cafe or restaurant manager? Of course, you would. What is the role of a cafe or restaurant manager? To manage the entire business operations of that setup. So if you are actively involved in the managerial activities, even if you're self-employed, even as you're the owner of your cafe or restaurant, you can file your application under that particular NZCO code. You would, of course, be providing all the supporting documents like getting a proper letter from your chartered accountant, mentioning your primary income, providing your taxation documents, your business registration document. Now, of course, though it's very rare in today's state that people are paid in cash, but there are, candidates who might have worked in a particular organization sometimes back and they were paid in cash. Now, financial evidence is something extremely important when you're putting your application for Australia. So if you were paid in cash, the only option with you that remains is provide a proper salary certificate or receipt, because on the salary certificate or receipt, always be employer's name and the employee's name would be there. So that's for today, guys. We would be coming with more important information related to Australian skilled immigration, be it skill assessment, be it state sponsorship or visa, or any category of visa. Keep following us at Hortophiles Explore Visas Private Limited. Thank you for today.